crash course on Switzerland. An overview. Highlights. Welcome to a crash course on Switzerland. In this section, I'll provide you with an overview of this breathtaking country, sharing interesting stories and examples to ignite your sense of adventure. Afterward, we'll delve into the top 12 attractions in Switzerland, where you can explore its stunning landscapes, picturesque towns, and cultural treasures. Let's begin. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Matterhorn's Majesty. The iconic Matterhorn, rising majestically in the Swiss Alps, has captured the imagination of mountaineers and adventurers for centuries. Its distinctive pyramid shape and challenging ascent have made it a symbol of Switzerland's natural beauty and mountaineering prowess. 2. The Swiss Watchmaking Legacy. Switzerland is renowned for its precision and craftsmanship in watchmaking. Take a journey through time at watch museums, such as the Patek Philippe Museum in Geneva or the Omega Museum in Biel, and learn about the intricate artistry behind these world-class timepieces. 3. The fondue tradition. Indulge in Switzerland's culinary delight, fondue. Gather around a bubbling pot of melted cheese and dip pieces of bread into the gooey goodness. It's a social and delicious experience that brings people together, especially during the winter months. Top 12 attractions in Switzerland. 1. Zermatt and the Matterhorn. Visit the charming alpine village of Zermatt, nestled at the foot of the Matterhorn. Explore the pedestrianized streets, go skiing or hiking in the surrounding mountains, and experience the awe-inspiring beauty of one of the world's most famous peaks. 2. Lucerne. Discover the picturesque city of Lucerne, located on the shores of Lake Lucerne. Stroll across the iconic Chapel Bridge, visit the Lion Monument, and explore the well-preserved Old Town with its colorful buildings and cobblestone streets. 3. Jungfraujoch. Ascend to the top of Europe, and immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of the Jungfraujoch. Marvel at the panoramic views of the Swiss Alps, step onto the Sphinx Observatory's terrace, and explore the ice palace within the glacier. 4. Interlaken. Known as the adventure capital of Switzerland, Interlaken offers a plethora of thrilling activities such as paragliding, skydiving, and canyoning. Surrounded by stunning mountains and lakes, it's a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. 5. Geneva. Experience the cosmopolitan city of Geneva, nestled on the shores of Lake Geneva. Visit the Jet d'Eau, explore the Old Town with its charming streets and St. Pierre Cathedral, and immerse yourself in the city's rich history and international flair. 6. Lausanne and Montreux. Explore the vibrant city of Lausanne, home to the Olympic Museum and the beautiful shores of Lake Geneva. Take a scenic train ride to Montreux, known for its annual jazz festival and the stunning Chillon Castle. 7. Bern. Discover the capital city of Switzerland, Bern, with its well-preserved medieval Old Town. Visit the Zeitglocke Clock Tower, explore the Bear Park, and stroll along the Aare River to admire the city's charm and architecture. 8. Lake Geneva. Cruise along the pristine waters of Lake Geneva, surrounded by the beauty of the Alps and the vineyards of Lavaux. Explore the lakeside towns of Montreux, Vevey, and Lausanne, and indulge in the region's exquisite wines and culinary delights. 9. St. Moritz. Experience the glamour of St. Moritz, a world-renowned luxury resort town. Enjoy skiing on pristine slopes during winter or partake in summer activities like hiking, golfing, and water sports. Don't forget to indulge in some upscale shopping and dining. 10. The Swiss National Park. Immerse yourself in Switzerland's natural beauty at the Swiss National Park. Located in the Engadine region, it offers unspoiled landscapes, diverse wildlife, and a network of hiking trails for nature enthusiasts. 11. The Lauterbrunnen Valley. Discover the magical Lauterbrunnen Valley, often referred to as the Valley of Waterfalls. With its lush green meadows, towering cliffs, and numerous cascades, it's a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. 12. Appenzell. Explore the idyllic region of Appenzell, known for its traditional Swiss culture and picturesque landscapes. Visit charming Appenzell town, hike in the rolling hills, and savor the flavors of Swiss cheese and chocolate. Summarizing this writing, Switzerland offers a wealth of natural beauty, cultural treasures, and exhilarating adventures. From the majestic Matterhorn to the charming towns and stunning lakes, there's something to captivate every traveler's heart. Embrace the Swiss precision, immerse yourself in breathtaking landscapes, and create unforgettable memories in this captivating country. And now, a poem inspired by the enchanting beauty of Switzerland. In Switzerland's embrace, nature's masterpiece unfolds. From alpine peaks to lakes and valleys, stories untold. The Matterhorn, majestic, rises to the sky. A symbol of adventure, a mountaineer's high. Lucerne's shores beckon with a bridge of fame, while Jungfraujoch takes you to heights untamed. Interlaken thrills, adrenaline unfurled, as Geneva's international flair unfurls. Lake Geneva's serenity, a painter's delight. Bern's medieval streets, a stroll through history's light. St. Moritz's glamour, a haven for the elite. And Lauterbrunnen's waterfalls, nature's retreat. From Appenzel's charm to the Swiss National Park, Switzerland's wonders leave an indelible mark. So venture forth, embrace this land of grace, and let Switzerland's beauty leave a smile on your face. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and watch more interesting videos here.